Hey guys, General Mechanic right here with another quick video. Today I'm gonna crank my truck. First time it snows in so many years living in this place. Now we haven't seen snow in long times. Truck is gonna do the first try. I had to plug it up last night. As you know, it's been running decent. You're gonna see what it does. I'm gonna do the cycle twice just to see what can help us. I'm gonna let the glow plug warm up the first time, a few seconds, and then we're gonna crank it up. Got my little buddy right there. Alright, I'm gonna do it again. We're gonna crank it up, see if it cranks. Alright, there she goes. She cranked up. Didn't take her but the first time. After the second cycle, we're gonna really warm up really good. Let all the ice go away, and then we're gonna go home to work. I know it's late, but we ain't used to these cold weather down here. So we're gonna let it warm up and then go to work. So thank you for watching. It's just a cold start on my truck, and hopefully it's starting to work. So don't forget, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe for more.